Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepe Ascension token. Now this token I saw boosted in the pre-sale section on coinsniper.net, so they're doing some advertising today on CoinSniper. Seems like a popular crypto project here, and this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have a full audit by CoinSalt. We're going to check out that. Pre-sale started December 19th, and it goes all the way until March 19th. And yeah, we're going to check out the PEAP token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter, their X, in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Pepe Ascension. Now they have 80 tweets, blue verified checkmark. They just joined in December 2024. 9,039 followers. Has a full link tree right there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. And then their webpage, pepeascension.com. And that's over there. That's where you can get involved with the pre-sale. Now they also have a Telegram you can check out as well at Pepe_Ascension_portal. 5,574 subscribers. That's another great place to see updates, especially regarding the pre-sale. If you go to the webpage, pepeascension.com, they have a pre-sale box right in the corner of the screen. So it says 2 days, 16 hours, 21 minutes until the next price increase. It tells you the price of the token, ticker symbol PEAP. So you could buy the token with ETH, BSC, or Arbitrum, or ARB. So basically, you would need a wallet if you wanted to get this token here. So you would need like a Coinbase or a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet, any one of those wallets. You could download from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH or BNB or ARB, and you could do that from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Then you would go to pepeascension.com, you click Connect Wallet, then you punch in, say, how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many PEAP tokens you receive for that amount. Click Purchase, and then when the pre-sale is over, then you can collect your tokens and or claim your tokens. So they have here, it looks like a audit by CoinSalt. So let's check that out. So it does say contract audited, no mint function, no blacklist found, no honeypot, no high sell fees, trading is enabled. There's 0 high risk, medium risk, or low risk or informational issues. It says this token's on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, you can check out the full audit report, and I recommend that you do that, even though there's no big warnings. There could be small ones, and just keep in mind also that I don't see a KYC, so just be aware of that. So the team is not doxxed, as far as I know anyways. So it says, welcome to Pepe Ascension. Pepe Ascension is your gateway to riches, resilience, and revolution. From the sands of history to the heights of fortune, the grind begins here. So born from Pepe's quest for infinite riches, Pepe Ascension is a blazing fast Layer 2 solution on Ethereum. With low fees, lightning transactions, and a bold community, it's where memes meet innovation. Pepe Ascension, a genie's gift, a revolution journey on Ethereum. Now, Pepe, a fearless adventurer, stumbled upon a map promising infinite riches after a grueling journey. He reached an empty beach, only to awaken a genie from a jar. "Riches?" the genie smirked. "You build them on ETH." Inspired, Pepe built the fastest, most efficient Layer 2 ecosystem ever, Pepe Ascension. Here, adventurers buy and stake PEAP tokens, earning a massive 40% annual reward. Now, the world joins Pepe on his journey to infinite riches. Ready to ascend? Your adventure begins with PEAP. It says Pepe Pump Pad is your all-in-one platform for launching meme coins with ease and security. Inspired by Pepe's encounter with the genie, the platform empowers users to build their own treasures on Ethereum. With a 2-click launch process, secure anti-rug features, and profit-focused tools, Pepe Pump Pad ensures anyone can create and pump their own projects effortlessly. They have a 2-click launch, so create your meme coin in just 2 clicks, no coding, just fun. So it shows how to buy on their light paper, which is linked on the web page if you're looking for it, and if you got stuck on how to buy. But there's also staking. So it says, step into the world of Pepe Ascension, where your Pepe Ascension tokens unlock a door to incredible rewards. By staking PEAP, you can earn an impressive 40% annual reward rate while contributing to the growth of one of the most innovative Layer 2 ecosystems. All stakes are securely locked for a 7-day period, ensuring the stability of the staking pool. So they have a roadmap here, starting with the token launch, then community building, strategic partnerships, exclusive presale, staking rewards, community engagement, then Layer 2 launch, and then the golden era of Pepe. Now, how the token is split up: 5% goes to the team, 7.5% goes to liquidity, 10% to marketing, 47.5% to project development, and 30% goes to staking and rewards. So Pepe Ascension began as a humble wanderer, burdened by dreams and potential. Through the power of Layer 2, he transformed, rising above the sands to become the ruler of DeFi enlightenment. Shutting inefficiencies, he now stands as the symbol of growth and innovation. Will you follow his path, join the Pepe Legion, and ascend to financial freedom? From the sands to stonks, the journey starts now. Pepe Ascension token is a meme coin. Its value is fueled by the infectious energy of the Pepe Ascension meme. Crypto markets are highly volatile and unpredictable. Always do your own research and ape responsibly. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.